Yindlu leyi a yi khubumete hi ndzilo hi mahlambandlopfu ya namuntlha. Munhu loyi a nga hira kamara ra le handle hi yena a nga lemukisa vatimela ndzilo hi mhangu leyi. U vula leswaku va teke nkarhi ku fika.
Since I went there earlier, if they came with me with immediately effect, they could have at least saved other people's life. But at least 5 people dead. We managed to save 2, by the way.
Kambe muakelani loyi a nga hatlisa a ta phalala u ponise vutomi bya manana wa 40 wa malembe hi vukhale na n'wana wa yena wa malembe manharhu.
I managed to take out the small child. I think it's about 4 or 5 years. And then after taking out the baby, I went back again to take out the mother. She was also inside. I tried to open, at least I managed to open the butler more so that we can lift her up from inside, and then we managed to take her out. And I went back for the 3rd time, but I unsuccessful. I didn't manage to rescue 5 of the deceased.
Avise va erivaleni ku ri i ncini xi nga vanga ndzilo, kambe va swilamulelamhangu va vula leswaku gezi a ri fambile endzhawini loko ndzilo wu sungula.
Emergency services received a call that a house was on fire and with people still trapped inside. And upon arrival on the scene, firefighters were told by bystanders as well as a female of about 46 that there are still 5 people inside the house. Upon initiating firefighting, breaking into the house, 2 bodies were immediately located, but unfortunately they had passed on.
Vanhu va ntlhanu lava nga lova i vaxinuna lava nga na malembe ya tsevu 18 na 24, kasi lowun'wana i manana wa 46 wa malembe. Maphorisa na va ku tirhisana na ndzilo va ha ri ku laviseni ka xivangelo xa ndzilo.